Whether it's a flat tire, a breakdown, or an accident, there's a good chance that you'll experience some sort of roadside emergency in your lifetime. My name is Colleen, and I'm part of the payroll department here at Greg Distributors. Today on Gear Up with Greg's, we're going to make sure that you're prepared, no matter the situation. No one plans to be stranded on the side of the road, but when you have a well-equipped emergency kit on hand, it can make the whole situation a lot more bearable. A good roadside emergency kit, like these ones, should include things like a source of heat, a source of light, and a first aid kit. Along with those necessities, it's also a great idea to have water and protein bars on hand, since you never know how long you might be stranded. Our roadside emergency kits come in 3 variations, from individual kits for outdoor recreation like hiking, to large survival kits suited for the most extreme conditions that we encounter here in Canada. If you're only on the road to get from point A to point B and stay mostly in the city, a smaller kit should suit your needs just fine. But if you do a lot of off-roading or backcountry driving, well, it doesn't hurt to be prepared. Something that you should make sure to always have handy is one of these bad boys. The EVR3 Deluxe Kit comes packed with a 4-gauge, 16-foot booster cable, while the Mobile 2 kit is equipped with 6-gauge, 12-foot cables. It doesn't matter if you're driving a brand new car or an older model. You can run into battery trouble when you least expect it, and no one wants to be left on the side of the road with a dead battery. If you want to learn about some great battery starters we carry, you can check out our video on Solar's Jump Starters. Another piece of safety gear that you can add to your kit is the ultrasonic animal alert. At speeds over 50 kilometers an hour, these alerts transmit a high-frequency, ultrasonic sound that warns wildlife of your oncoming vehicle. The sound won't bother you or your pets, and it comes ready to mount to your car with a self-adhesive base and countersunk holes for screw mounting. I'm a Canadian, and if you're like me and have to drive in snowy climates, there's another piece of gear that will make your life a whole lot easier if you get stuck. A retractable snow shovel, like this, can help dig you out of a tough situation. Sure, there's sand and kitty litter, but that's not necessarily going to help if you're up to your knees in snow. This shovel can fold down or come apart completely, so it stows neatly in your vehicle. Plus, it weighs a lot less than a bag of kitty litter. For vehicles that are frequently traveling in less than ideal weather conditions, tire chains can help to keep you on the road and out of the ditch. Keep in mind, while there aren't any laws prohibiting the use of tire chains in Alberta, damaging the road is an offense, so make sure you're only using them when there's a layer of snow between you and the road. On some highways in BC, you are required to use them during certain times of year, so always be aware of the restrictions before traveling with tire chains on. In the winter, you'll also want to make sure that you have warm clothes and blankets packed in the vehicle, since you never know how long you'll be stranded for. Having a few of these on hand will keep your fingers and toes warm for up to 8 hours per pack. These 2 kits come with 2 warmers each, but having a few extra stocked up could be the last thing keeping you from getting frostbite. Keep a list of the things you have in your kit and be sure to mark them off if you've used them and need a refill. That way, you're never left short in an emergency situation. Remember, if you've got nothing else in your emergency kit, be sure to at least have a fully charged cell phone so you can call for help. Well, I think I'm prepared for just about anything the road can throw at me. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to answer them for you. Feel free to leave us a comment or visit our website at gregdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Colleen, and thanks for joining me on another Gear Up with Greg's.